Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the server and account so remote sessions work reliably. Log in locally or via console, then add the user to remote desktop users or use an administrative account. Next, enable Remote Desktop in Server Manager on the local server page and choose network-level authentication for security. This minimizes unauthenticated connections. Once done, assign or confirm a static IP or DNS hostname so you can reach the server from clients. And make sure the Windows Firewall profile allows remote desktop traffic. Now configure network access so clients can connect. Open Windows Firewall Advanced Settings and create an inbound rule for TCP port 3389 limited to the correct network profile. This ensures only intended interfaces accept RDP. If you need external access, set a port forward on your router from a chosen external port to the server's internal IP and 3389. For security, prefer a VPN or restrict allowed source IP addresses. This prevents exposing RDP directly to the internet and reduce. Finally, connect and verify the remote session works end-to-end. On your client, launch Remote Desktop Connection. Type the server hostname or IP and append port. If you used a non-standard port, then authenticate using your account. If you see certificate or identity warnings, install a trusted certificate or use network-level authentication to reduce prompts. If the session fails, check that remote desktop services are running, recheck firewall rules, confirm router NAT, and test connectivity with ping and telnet to the RDP port as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.